Imagine you've just received your first substantial paycheck. You're excited, but you also want to be wise with your money. You've heard about investment platforms like StashAway, but is it really safe to entrust your hard-earned cash to an automated investment platform? In today's fast-paced world, investing has become more accessible than ever. With a plethora of investment platforms emerging, it's natural to feel overwhelmed. One platform that has gained significant popularity is StashAway. But before you dive in, let's address the burning question: is it safe to invest in StashAway? Understanding StashAway. StashAway is a Singapore-based robo-advisor platform that uses algorithms to invest your money in a diversified portfolio of ETFs. It's designed to be a hands-off approach to investing, making it ideal for those who are new to investing or don't have the time to manage their investments actively. Key safety concerns and their rebuttals. Security of funds. Concern: will my money be safe with StashAway? Rebuttal: StashAway employs robust security measures to protect your funds. They use advanced encryption techniques and adhere to strict regulatory standards. Your investments are held in segregated accounts, meaning they are protected from the company's liabilities. Regulatory compliance. Concern: is StashAway regulated? Rebuttal: yes, StashAway is regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, one of the most stringent financial regulators globally. This means that StashAway is subject to rigorous oversight, ensuring that they operate ethically and transparently. Risk management. Concern: how does StashAway manage investment risks? Rebuttal: StashAway uses a risk-based approach to investing. When you sign up, you'll be asked to complete a risk assessment questionnaire. Based on your risk profile, StashAway will recommend a suitable portfolio for you. This ensures that your investments align with your risk tolerance. Performance. Concern: will my investments perform well with StashAway? Rebuttal: while past performance is not indicative of future results, StashAway has a proven track record of delivering competitive returns. Their investment strategies are backed by rigorous research and data analysis. However, it's important to remember that investing involves risks, and there's no guarantee of positive returns. Additional considerations. Fees. StashAway charges a management fee, which varies depending on the investment plan you choose. It's essential to factor in these fees when considering the overall cost of investing with StashAway. Customer support. StashAway offers excellent customer support through various channels, including email, phone, and live chat. Accessibility. The StashAway app is user-friendly and allows you to monitor your investments and make changes to your portfolio on the go. Is StashAway safe? The verdict. Based on the information available, investing in StashAway appears to be relatively safe. The platform's strong regulatory oversight, robust security measures, and transparent investment strategies make it a viable option for many investors. However, as with any investment, it's crucial to do your own research and consider your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Ultimately, the decision of whether to invest in StashAway is a personal one. By understanding the platform's strengths, weaknesses, and potential risks, you can make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.